Hello everyone, my name is Ritik, and today is my day three of Zoom Marathon Challenge. So welcome to my latest video. I hope all of you are fit and fine. Okay, so let me start. First, I want to tell you that why I decided to explain the topic of scopes. Okay, today I visited many websites and search about the scopes, but but I found that in the most of the website there are not updated data uh, uh, like which will follow up the ES6 after ES6. So that's why I want to cover today scopes topic. Okay, so let me start with scopes. Okay, so guys, in JavaScript there are two type scopes before the ES6. Uh, before the ES6 there was two type of scopes. First one is global scope, and second one and sa and second one is uh, a functional scope. But now but after the coming of the ES6, igma script 6, uh, now now we have three types of scopes in JavaScript. So first one is global scope, and second one is block scope. Sorry, yeah. Second one is local scope, and third one is the th third one has two types of scopes. Basically, the third one uh, uh like uh third one are the subtype scope of the local scope. First subtype scope is uh, functional scope, and the second subtype scope is uh, uh, like uh, uh, bracket scope. Okay, I will explain you one by one. Okay, so let me give you an example of a global scope. Okay, it, so when I declare with when I declare a variable with the where, so it will be called as the global. Typically, when we declare a variable in the main file, uh, then uh, then we can call it as a global scope variable. Okay, so uh, uh like we we can call this variable in any function or any brackets, inside any brackets. Okay, so this call global scope. Now let's come to the local scopes subtypes. So the first type of local scope, that is functional scope. So let me give you an another example of functional scope. Okay, so let's assume that so if we declare a variable in the function itself, then we can't then we can't print that variable outside of that function. If we print, then it will throw an error, that is that variable is not defined. So this is basically our functional scope. So this is and now let's come to the yeah and now let's come to the curly bracket scope. So curly bracket scope is nothing. Let me give you an example of that too. So when we declare a variable in the loop or in the statement, so it's called the uh, bracket variable. Okay, so that is block variable. Okay, so this is all about the scope in JavaScript. So now let's uh, come to the ending part, uh, what is the like way way which scope we should avoid to use in our main file or in our code. Okay, so we should avoid to write too many global scopes. Okay, yeah, so this is all for about scopes. So I hope I you understood something from it. Okay, so thank you for listening me carefully. Okay, have a nice day. Thank you.